Hey, what's the difference between a panty liner and a pad? Aren't both the same things? When to use what? How often should I change a panty liner? Which brand should I choose while buying a panty liner? If you're someone with all these questions in your mind, do not look any further than this video. You are about to get all your answers. Let's get started. So let's start with basics of pads and panty liners. Let me quickly show you how each of them looks like. So these are the pads from PSafe, also known as sanitary napkins. Let me quickly unbox and show how it looks. Pads are really common when it comes to usage, and this is how the box from PSafe looks like. One special thing about this box from PSafe is that this particular box is made up of 100% recycled paper. Another thing is, as soon as you open the box, you get a really pretty note which says, "When life gives you blood, soak it up." I found it really funny and quite relatable. This is a box of 10 disposable pads from PSafe. These are 100% biodegradable. They are made up of bamboo. They have 100% organic cotton. They are leak proof, chlorine free, fragrance free, and it does not have any toxins. Another very special thing about these pads from PSafe is all of these pads come with individual disposable bags. Don't you think it's too convenient? I kind of like it. The top sheet of this pad is made up of 100% organic cotton, while the core is made up of FSC certified bamboo pulp. Now, if you talk about leakage barrier and wrapper, it's 100% compostable and it's plant-based. So these pads resemble any other pad in the market. The only difference is the 100% cotton top, which avoids the risk of infection and irritation. Now let's quickly get to the panty liners. As you can see the difference between two boxes. Now this one is the box of PSafe pads and it's a pack of 10 pads, while this is a cute little box of panty liners. This whole box consists of 15 panty liners. Now let me quickly show you one of the panty liners so that you better understand the difference between pads and panty liners in the terms of how they actually look. So this is a box of 15 panty liners from PSafe. They are 100% organic biodegradable panty liners, and again, as soon as you open it, it also has a quirky quote which says, "When life gives you blood, soak it up." I'm totally loving this one. So there's no difference between the material used in PSafe sanitary pads and PSafe panty liners. Again, the top sheet is made up of 100% organic cotton. The core is made up of bamboo pulp, which is 300% more absorbent and safer than wood pulp. Third thing is the leakage barrier and wrapper, which is 100% compostable and is plant-based. So that's about the panty liners from PSafe. And now you will say, hey, difference kya tha in dono mein? It's all just same material, same cheese, only the size is different. Yes guys, that's the thing about it. The major difference between a panty liner and a sanitary napkin is of size and the capacity to absorb. While a typical panty liner from PSafe is of 180 mm in length, the maximum length of a pad from PSafe is 315 mm. So this is an overnight pad. So they also have another variant when it comes to sanitary napkins, and this is a regular size pad. It is of length 180 mm. So that's a size between panty liners and the overnight sanitary napkin. So as I said, the major difference is between the looks and the capacity to absorb, which brings us to our third question. When to use which? When should I use a panty liner? When should I use a pad? So the answer to this question depends on your period's flow. So if your menstrual flow is really heavy, like when you are on your periods, I think 2nd to 4th day is really heavy for everyone on periods. That's when you should actually use a proper sanitary napkin. While on the days when your menstrual flow is really less, like the first day and last few days, when you just see a little bit of spotting, that's when you can use panty liners. Other than your menstrual cycle, the panty liners can be used on daily basis if you have vaginal discharge and if you experience spotting. Panty liners can be your savior. They can help you feel clean and hygienic down there. So I hope now you're clear on when to use a panty liner and when to use a sanitary pad. Another very frequently asked question is, can I use the panty liner on daily basis? The answer could be a yes or it could be a no. So the key is moderation to actually find the right balance between overuse and underuse. So a few days before your menstrual cycle and a few days after it, that's when you should actually use a panty liner. But again, on the daily basis, I will not suggest so, because even experts say that panty liners can irritate your sensitive area down there and actually increase your chance of fungal infection. So if you're someone who does not want that, please do not use panty liners on daily basis, or do so after properly having a discussion with your gynec. Then another very frequently asked question is how frequently should you change your panty liner or a sanitary pad? Let's talk about the sanitary pads first. So when you are on your periods, you should change your sanitary napkin every 4 to 6 hours. Doesn't matter if you have light flow or heavy flow. That's the answer. Please make sure that you change it every 4 to 6 hours. And now if we talk about how frequently should we change a panty liner, you can go for about 8 to 12 hours without changing if you do not feel that it's moist and if you do not feel the need to change the panty liner. But excessive usage again is not recommended, so please find a right balance. So now if you ask me what you should look out for when you're buying a panty liner or a sanitary napkin, I will suggest that you should always go for a panty liner or a sanitary pad which is made up of 100% organic cotton. Another thing to keep in mind is that make sure that they are not scented artificially, because that's a huge wave which is going on in the market that this pad is filled up with this smell, this panty liner has this smell. Please avoid those sorts of panty liners and sanitary pads. So that's why I recommend you using PSafe's panty liner, because this is made up of 100% organic cotton. This is fragrance free and toxins free and chemical free. So you need to look out for these features while you're going to buy a panty liner or a sanitary napkin to keep yourself clean and safe down there. Another great reason to switch to PSafe is that all these sanitary pads from PSafe are 100% compostable in a compostable facility. They are safe for your body, they are eco-friendly and they are rash-free. If this is not good enough to convince you, let me give you another good point about PSafe, that why you should actually consider using the products from PSafe is that they are biodegradable. Now when I talk about biodegradable, I mean for a regular sanitary pad, it takes about 500 to 800 years to decompose in a landfill, while the biodegradable sanitary napkins from PSafe start to decompose within 24 months, since they are made up of sustainable ingredients like bamboo pulp and organic cotton. Isn't it a great reason to support your environment? I feel so. If you're planning to try a new brand and switch for a good cause, I would definitely recommend try products from PSafe. This is all we had for today's video. If you have any extra questions regarding the usage of sanitary napkins or the panty liners, leave your comment down below. I'm also available on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me. You can message me there and you can ask as many questions as you like. On this note, I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye.